Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this look right here using the BH Cosmetics times Daisy Marquez eyeshadow palette. And girl, let me tell you, this eyeshadow palette is the bomb. But if you guys want to see it in action, please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please turn on the bell notifications so you can be notified every time I upload. Now let's get started with the tutorial. Look at this. This looks amazing. I love this color. I just want to create something really nice with this, like an orangey look. This does come off, so it's like a magnet and you can set it up like a vanity. I know you guys have seen it around everywhere, like on Instagram. This retails for $23 right now on bhcosmetics.com, and sometimes they have sales going on, so check it out. I will link everything down below. I'm gonna use Karma, Vintage. I'm gonna use a little bit of Bittersweet, Cocoa, and Passion Fruit. First, I'm going to prime my eyelids with the P. Louise base. This is in the shade 1. I was trying to get shade 2, but they are out of stock online, so I have to wait. So I'm just gonna apply it a little bit. So first I distribute it all over, and then I like to blend it with another fluffy brush, and then I like to carve my eyebrow. Today I do want to create a spotlight effect, so like a halo eye. Just going to keep blending this. Between these two, I think this one's a little darker, so I'm gonna start with Cocoa. This is the Sigma eye shading brush, the E55. So for this one, I am going to apply some at the outer corner and some at the inner corner, since this is a halo eye. So I'm gonna start here on the lid as well. It's really nice, and there's not a lot of fallout. Then I'm gonna go in with Bittersweet, and I'm going to use this Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush. This is the JH40. And I'm going to start blending the edges with that. This one does have a little bit of more fallout, that shade, but I don't care about fallout. This is the Morphe M506, and I'm going to use a little bit of Passion Fruit. This purple shade is Passion Fruit, and that's the fallout that that one had. But, you know, I don't mind. And apply it on top. And that's a pretty shade. Now I'm going to take a fluffy brush. This is the MAC 224. I'm going to apply the shade Vintage. I'm just blending everything out. And then since the other shades got blended away, I'm gonna go back to the first shade, which was Cocoa, and just add more. And then I'm gonna add the shade Passion Fruit. We're gonna cut the halo now, and I'm using a different brush. This one's way better. This is the Chanel brush, the concealer one, and the number 10. For the lid, I'm gonna use a really risky color. I'm gonna use this one called Slime. I'm excited. And I'm gonna get the P. Louise base again. So about here. And I start on the bottom just to like make sure I don't mess up. When you open your lid, that's where you want to cut the crease. So a little bit above, like so. Always just tap. Don't slide around as much because then you will mess up. But if you tap it out, you'll be fine. And then I want to extend it a little bit. Like so. So I think that's looking good. This is the Morphe times Jaclyn Hill JH41. It's another flat brush. And I'm going to apply that to the slime shade. Let's see how it looks without the Fix Plus first. Ooh, that looks nice. I mean, it looks nice, but if I spray it, it'll look better. So I'm just going to spray a little bit farther away. And now I can apply it. So this is gonna look a little bit more foiled, more metallic. It's gonna look more green. Look at that. This looks amazing. This is a unicorn eyeshadow brush that I've had for so long. I apply a little bit more and I get into the edge with that. About the edge right there. I'm gonna use the shade Bittersweet to blend out the edges, and I can dig into Passion Fruit as well, which is this one. And you can wipe all the way back here. I'm going to do the other side off camera and then I'll be right back with the lashes and the lower lash line. This is what the eyeshadows are looking like. I am digging it. And now we're gonna do the lower lash line. I'm gonna pop in some orange in there. I'm gonna use the shade Karma now, which is this one here. I want some kind of orange. I thought it was gonna be a little bit more orange, but it's actually a little darker. Kind of liking it. It's not too bright like I thought it was gonna be. For the darker shade, I'm digging into Cocoa, which is the dark brown. And that one, I'm just taking it on the outer corner like I always do. I do have mascara on. I don't have lashes on yet. So I'm just going to use these Oh Honey lashes in a new style. They are in the style V.I.Bee. So their theme is all about bees, which is so cute. I love that company. I'm going to link them down below so you guys can check it out. For the lips, I've been using this Sugar Pie lip liner by Morphe. You guys need them in your life. They are creamy, but they're not as dry as the MAC ones. And you do have to sharpen them, which is good. I like these better. And these are only $4 from Morphe. For lips, I'm gonna use this Nude Chica by Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. A little lighter. So it doesn't take away from the top. I use the highlight called Dreamin of Diamonds, which is more of a yellow shade. I like to apply it in the inner corner. Just a little bit here, so it can pop. So this is the final look using the daisymarquez and BH Cosmetics palette. If you haven't picked this palette up, girl, what are you waiting for? These blend out like a dream. I had no problems blending them out. They're just so soft and buttery and easy to work with. So if you're a beginner and you don't know how to apply eyeshadow, definitely look into BH Cosmetics. They do have a little bit of more daring colors here, so if you do want to try out other ones, they do have a lot of neutrals. But this one, if you want a pop of color, definitely pick it up. And just the whole concept of this eyeshadow palette is so nice with the little mirror, and it just grabs on and it closes. And it's very affordable, only $23. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial right here. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.